This is the part A of our project. This is the rainwater sensor, and this is the servo motor that opens the gate as soon as rainwater sensor detects water over it. So for this we will pour some water on the sensor. As soon as water falls on the sensor, the gate opens. Now the water can be filled in the container. So rainwater sensor has been kept tilted so that the water drops don't get collected over that, and that falls. So as soon as all the water drops are removed from the sensor, the gate comes back and it gets closed. Now no more water can be filled in the container. Okay, thank you. So this is the second part of the project. We have water at present less than 50%, so no LED is glowing, and as I've mentioned earlier, LCD display is not functioning properly, so we will be showing through these LED bulbs. So code was written to red LED will glow only when the water level is 50%. So since the water level is less than 50%, no LED is glowing. So on adding some water, we will see. Now we are close to 50% and adding some more water. Now red LED will keep glowing as water is more than 50%. In the same manner, blue LED and green LED will glow on 75% and 95% respectively. So we will be showing that also. Now water level is close to 75%. So we are adding some more water. See, now red and blue LED have glown as water level is more than 75%. Now we will be showing for close to 95%. Now water level is about to 95%. So we will add some more water for making it more than 95%. Reaching up to 95%. So now water level is more than 95%. So all three LEDs have glown and even the buzzer is playing. At this moment, we can switch off the shutter, close the shutter so that no more water comes in, as the container will overflow. Thank you.